And here I have development math examples, linear inequality. So again, if you have 5x plus 3y greater than 5, then put this in the slope intercept form, which is y greater than mx plus b, which is, if you solve this, 5x plus 3y is minus 5x plus 15, then y is minus 5 over 3x plus 5. So that's the intercept. Then the slope is minus 5 over 3, b is 5. Then this inequality, it is the shaded area is the solution area, the feasibility region, and then you have this dot means it is greater. There is no equal sign here. Okay. Then here, if you want to factor k to the minus 2, 56k to the minus 10 completely, so you factor out the smallest power, which is k to the minus 10 is the smallest, so it's k to the minus 10. You factor that, then it is, what is left is k to the 8 minus 256, so that can be factored k to the 4 minus 16, k to the 4 plus 16. Then this can be factored k squared minus 4k squared plus 4. Then this can be factored as k minus 2, k plus 2. Then you will end up with k to the minus 10 times k minus 2, k plus 2, k squared plus 4, k squared, k to the 4 plus 16. Okay. Here I have an application of a rational expression. So on a US map, the distance between Seattle, these two cities, is 4.125. Then the other two cities, the two cities are actually this much. The distance between them is 1,238. Then on the same map, what would be the distance between the other two cities, Chicago and El Paso? So first we need to read the problem carefully. Find the distance between Chicago and El Paso on a US map in inches. That is the question. So determine the ratio, equation ratio, which is x, that is what we are looking, over 4.125 in inch, is equal to the ratio between these two, 1,606 over 1,238. So you solve this for x. X equals 5.351 inch. So this is the distance between Chicago and El Paso in a map. In a map, yes. So this is in inches. Okay. Then state the answer. The distance between Chicago and El Paso on a US map is 5.351 inch. Then I have here complex numbers, addition of all complex numbers. Simply you add the real and you add the imaginary. So this is 7 minus 4 plus 3 will give you 6. Then 3i minus 2i is 5i. 5i plus I is 6i. Okay. Then multiplication, you multiply two complex numbers. Those are conjugate complex numbers. That gives you 97. The multiplication of two conjugate complex numbers is always real. Then you have division of two imaginary complex numbers. Then you will end up minus 1 plus 2i.